Alright, boss man, you have a little driveway coming from the land onto the road, right where the tractor did stuck. I make him dump some fill, that's all. So I finish scrape off a little pile to the left in the corner, and then we can throw the hammer upon it and do two scrape. And this is where we make my youth stop there. Boundary wall dig. So I'm standing actually in the section right where the tractor this stuck the other day. Right where you see the mall before. So come to the first peg and stay up on the inland side. So no go up on the other people in place. You can go down. You have some good dirt, pity we can save most of it. But that's another day thing. Down. Alright. So I never make him go all the way down to the boundary. Make him stop halfway after the twin stump. So that hillside piece to the left, when they're ready to dig down, at least the tractor can access it from that side or from inland, your side. Tractor guy say it look like it might take an hour, more than an hour, but when watch your motion, and you also the bucket buck. Then I dig. Alright, so the part to the left right tractor, we start climb, this time we'll dig down back. Because the rubble up on top, you need to clear off that. And the stone under it, that you need to dig off. So that's the basics.